So before we even get into applying makeup, we're going to talk about skin prep. This is hugely important, and I think a lot of people maybe miss this out. If your skin isn't prepped appropriately, the makeup is not going to look good, it's not going to last, it's not going to sit on your skin well. So obviously you're going to start with a good cleanser, whatever kind of cleanser you want. Micellar water is quick and easy for me to use for a one-off, but don't use that daily. If you're using the micellar water, it's okay at night if you're going to use it for taking off your makeup at night as a first cleanse, but you must cleanse it off with a second cleanse. A lot of people don't know this with micellar waters, but a lot of them, once they're on, you put them on with a cotton pad, and a lot of people leave them on thinking that's it. You don't. A lot of them need to be washed off. So you could be using a micellar water all over and then leaving it on you. You're leaving something on your skin, and that can build up and cause like breakouts and things like that. Another really important part when it comes to makeup sitting nice on your skin is hydration. So again, I've got dry and dehydrated skin, and if I don't hydrate my skin before I put makeup on, it's going to cling. Every single bit of makeup is going to cling to the dry parts. Exfoliating, that's really important as well before you apply makeup. Not to say to exfoliate every day, especially depending on your skin type, I wouldn't recommend that, but exfoliate before, if you've got an event coming up and you don't wear makeup often, make sure your skin's exfoliated for the best results. Don't use anything with the beads in it, they're very harsh on your skin and stripping, so don't use anything like that. Moisturiser, again, you get the right one for your skin type. So if you've got dry or dehydrated skin, you want something hydrating. If you've got oilier skin, you want something that's more like a gel, sort of lighter lotion. Lips, make sure they're hydrated with either a scrub or a good lip balm, because if you're going to apply lipstick over lips that are already flaking, it's not going to look good. So once you've got all your skin prep on, let it sink in for a while. So put your your hydration on, leave a little bit before you put your moisturiser on, and let that all sink into your skin. Because if you go straight in with foundation and it's not all it's not all like went penetrated into your skin, it's just going to sit on top. So let that skincare do what it's meant to do.